Hey folks, I have here a set of 4 studio apartments where I aim to create a building-style configuration with residential units. You've probably entered various studio apartments and might even consider living in one, so you know very well what it's like. It consists of a central corridor with doors leading to each studio apartment. In these corridors, there are no windows, only doors. We know that having windows facing each other compromises privacy too much. To ensure a higher level of privacy, I did the following. I placed the entrance doors in the corridor and the windows at the ends on the sides of the building. If there's more land available, you can turn it into a private area for leisure or a laundry. Inside these studio apartments, I will create and design everything in a loft or studio apartment concept, as we will see from now on. I will remove the walls and the ceiling to see the studio apartment's layout. In general, it measures 5.30 meters by 6.20 meters, totaling 32 square meters. I've already mentioned that the entrance door is here, and immediately to the left of the entrance, there's the bathroom. It's a classic studio apartment with no internal partitions, except for the bathroom, which includes a sink, a toilet, and a shower. On the other side of the entrance, there's the kitchen with a refrigerator, a mobile oven, and a microwave, plus a prefabricated apartment barbecue. There's also this protrusion in the wall that functions as a smoke duct for the barbecue. The kitchen has a sink cabinet next to it and a tabletop stove, creating an L-shaped kitchenette that connects to a dining table for 3 people. There's also space above for an overhead cabinet that descends on the side, forming a wine rack. Continuing from there, we have the living room with a 3-seater sofa, a coffee table, an armchair, a TV unit, and behind the TV unit, there's a lightweight metal and glass partition with a sliding door that opens to this side, forming the bedroom here in this part. It features a double bed, a wardrobe, and a study desk on the side. To top it off, there's a gypsum cornice that encircles the studio apartment ceiling, providing space for this great lighting and wooden panels covering the walls, forming various shelves and niches for books, decor items, and creating this super cool and stylish space with the appearance of a studio apartment or even a loft. The only thing missing here is a laundry area, which, as we've seen, could be located outside in the private area at the back. This way, we not only have a great studio apartment but also maintain a better quality of life, as there will be much more privacy following this configuration. Tell me what you think of this idea. Comment, share tips and criticisms, and, as always, send us your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned, as there's a new project for a fantastic studio apartment building coming up for us to evaluate and enjoy. Big hug, and see you soon.